What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Let's go for another pocket options video. I just sent a message on my signals channel 329 that I'm going to start sending signals. All right, so I'm just going to say high, highest position or lower position. That means call or a put, okay? Because I don't want to spend too much time typing a message while I'm looking at the signal, because by the time I come back to the platform, I might lose the opportunity to enter, right? So just going to go for a quick signal, high or lower, and that's it. All right, so according to my Excel spreadsheet right here, okay, our balance is this one right here. So if we chase the 5% that we are looking for, our balance in this session has to end in 184.30. Okay, so let's see how the market is going to play out, and if all goes well, if we have a flow and steady profits, okay, we will try to push it to 190. Okay, but let's try to make this number round to 185. Okay, a great scenario would be 190. All right, but 185, I'll be happy with that, and the risk going to be 8% instead of 10. So if we reach 161, so let's call it 160, we win. We will then call it a day. All right, so that being said, let's go ahead and let's find our first trade opportunity. So it's 1107, so let's see how it goes. And keep in mind, all these pairs that we have over here, they all real markets, no OTC, okay? So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and flick through. Okay, guys, so we just placed the first trade right there, and I thought the price would go down, because if you come over here to the 2-minute chart, we can see the price is on a downtrend right there. We got lots of bearish momentum right here. We got the crossover on the stochastic. So strongly believe that price will go down from here. Okay, even though the volume is very weak on the 30 seconds, strongly believe that the price will go down. So place that position thinking that, yeah, the price will crank up from here, but it failed. So this potentially might be the case of placing a 2-minute trade on this one. So we can see that we are in a downtrend, potentially going to have some consolidation before go down. So I'm going to wait and see what happens. Okay, we got a second trade of the day. This one right here. We clearly can see that it's on the uptrend. 2-minute chart, we can see that we are in the uptrend. So everything looks good. So just place one trade. Let me go for another one, and we'll take it from there. So we can see over here the volume is good. We got lots of green bars, and because we are on a stronger trend, so I strongly believe that these 3 trades that we got going on, they will be good trades, because we had some dodgy candles. Price tried to consolidate a little bit, tried to pull back a little bit, but it failed. Buyers are in control, so everything indicates that we potentially going to be able to win these 3 trades. So 2 seconds on the first one, we broke even on that one. We got 15 seconds. Volume is decreasing, so potentially it's going to be a risky trade, but we're going to try to secure these ones, these 2 that we got going on, and from there we're going to keep an eye on this one and try to make more profits if the price pulls back, because you can see that the signal is decreasing. But yeah, we got that one. So we placed 4 trades so far. So we won 2, broke even 1, and lost 1. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, we got another one going on, and just sent the signal of this one right here. So I had to be quick. So just place the trade, because like I said to you, you got to be very quick, because if you miss a few seconds, price could dump a little bit, and then that's too late to place the entry, the trade. Yes, so just placed a few seconds before. As soon as I saw this red bar, I placed the trade. As you can see right there, it was forming, so I placed the trade right there. So then I quickly came over here and sent the place the trade. So we can see that we got the 2 red bars right there. So if we flick over to the 2-minute chart, we can see red bar over here. and we can see price came over here to this area, failed, came and failed again. So you might try it one more time, but in the meantime, we already secured the trade. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for the next one. Okay, we got another one going on, even though, okay, the volume is decreasing now. I was about to say, even though the volume is still a bit bullish, right? We can see the volume is decreasing. And if we flick over to the 2-minute chart, we can see that we got a triangle right there. Okay, so it's doing lower highs and higher lows. So it's getting squeezed. I feel like price potentially will come to this area before explode either to upside or to the downside. Okay, so hence me placing this trade going down because I was expecting the price to come down. And yes, there you go. All right, so I also post this one right here. Yeah, right there. Okay, so if you waited, now you should be able to make some profits because clearly I'm gonna win this one. You can see the volume is decreasing, right? That's it, another one in the bag. So let's go for the next one. We are also on a lookout for this one. Maybe I'm too late, so maybe not. I think I said on the chat there that we're going higher on this one. Yeah, this one right here, we're going higher because the volume is decreasing. Even though we had these green candles over here, we can see the volume is decreasing. So let's wait and see. If we flick over to the 2-minute chart, we can see that we are on the uptrend. Okay, so from here, I'm expecting the price to come around this area right here, the purple area, before come and test this local high right here, and hopefully break above this local high. But all we need is 1 minute to secure our trade. Okay, so we're gonna keep an eye on that one. Okay, we got some bullish momentum over here. So let's see if the price comes closer to the 7 SMA so we can place a trade. Let's wait for the next candle to open to see how the volume is gonna look like. But price is really reacting to this area. Volume is very weak, so I'm gonna wait on this one. But potentially this one is gonna be a higher position. Okay, we got another one. We can see that we're on a downtrend right here. Very bearish momentum over here. We had this mini pump. I believe the pump has reached. Okay, and decided to place a trade because we had some bearish momentum over here. But we got another green bar over here, so that's not a good sign. Hence me saying over here in the chart maybe lower. Okay, maybe lower. But let's see how it goes. You got 25 seconds on this one. So this bullish momentum right here, this green bar over here is not a good sign. So potentially we're going to lose this one over here. Okay. Seems like price is going to consolidate around this area before either go up or down. But I thought, yeah, this candle right here, because of this, the volume is negative, I thought, okay, it's going to go down. But it did not go down, and I made a mistake because the price didn't, the candle didn't close below the 7 SMA, okay? So my bad. Okay, we have another one. Let's go. Let's place another one here. We can see from the 2-minute chart, we were on a downtrend, and now potentially price is going to have a continuation to the upside because you got the volume there. Hence, we're placing higher entries. We had this mini pullback, and now we have the green volume right there. So we placed 3 trades, and this one higher position, like I said to you. So if you waited for this mini pullback, now potentially going to be able to score 3 trades or 1 trade, whatever you put. Okay, price is going too low. So let's see how it goes. First one, potentially going to lose. Whoa, potentially we're going to lose the first one. We lost that one. So we got 8 seconds. We're going to lose all of them. Jeez. So if the price reverses, damn, we got burning all those 3. Jeez, that was a bad luck. Volume is decreasing, so potentially this one will have a continuation to the downside. So I'm going to wait for the next bar over here to open, and let's see how this one is going to play out. Okay, so we still got some. Okay, There you go. So we got some, let me send a screenshot right there. So we got, hang on. Okay, we got this one still going on. All right, so price is still in 2 minds from where we started. Let me place another trade right there. So we got 3 trades going on. Signals is bearish. So hopefully price will keep pushing down and we'll be able to secure these 3 trades. So we got 10 seconds on the first one. You can see the red bar over there. So potentially this uptrend is no longer going to be valid. And we got 2 seconds. So we clear the first trade. We clear the second trade. So we got 35 seconds on the last trade. And hopefully we're going to be able to clear this one. We can see the volume is growing to the negative side, which is what we want in this case, right? Because we are placing lower entries. And again, I rushed into this one. So I placed higher. I didn't win. And then, okay, the trend is shifting. So I placed a low entry right there, as you could see. So if you placed at the same time that I placed, so most likely going to be able to make some money on this trade. Okay. So we got this one in the bag as well, and we reached our daily target, which is 184. So we got 186, so that means we just made 5%. And it's 11:43 with the first trade was around 11:10. Okay, so it took us half an hour to make this money. Okay, and yeah, I can say that I'm happy with this result. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to look around, see if I can find more opportunities, like decent ones. If not, I'm going to call it a day. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap this session up. So we already reached our targets. We were supposed to make 878. We end up making a little bit more, so 1105. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to come over here and place 11.05. And this thing automatically updates. So 186.57, that's our new current balance, and we're all good. As you can see right here, ever since I started this strategy, everything started to go well, which I'm very pleased with that. You know, the strategy so far is working. Okay, so as you could see, is not 100% guaranteed, but we can see that profitable trades is 67%. So in average, it's about 70%. Okay, which is good. So if we go over to, let me go over the trading strategy. Over here, we can see the trading session. So oh, we cannot see all of them for some reason. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there is 2 missing. But I know that I lost the first one and I won the second one. Okay, so we got 10 sessions over here, 10 trades over here, and we lost 3, 4. So in 12 trades, we lost 4. I know we broke even in 1. So, and we won 4. Well, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we lost 4, so we broke even in 1. So we won 7 trades. So 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we won 7 trades. We broke even in 1, and we lost 2. Okay, so that's a good result. Obviously, you saw me changing from 1% to 2.5% because of this. Okay, where is it? So I lost 3 in a row because the price shifted. So if I kept on placing 1%, I would be then we'd be having a longer trading session because I would be placing 1%, 1%, 1%, and it would take me some time to recover. So hence me placing 2.5% right here in these 3 sessions, 3 trades, because I was confident about that trade. Okay. So, but usually if I'm keep on winning, I'm just maintain the 1%. So if once I lose like 2 or 3 in a row, then I will double up to 2.5 just to recoup my previous losses so I can at least break even. Okay. And essentially that's what happened. But overall, I'm happy with this trading session. So we placed 12 trades. So this one still developing, like I said. When it comes to this purple line, we can see the volume is decreasing. Potentially this one will start to go up again. because we can see that we are on the uptrend, even though the 50 SMA is getting flat. So probably the price will come and test this local high one more time before eventually break down or go in consolidation mode. All right. So if you're still trading, keep an eye on that one. Even though the signal is bearish, we can see candles are very, very, very weak. All right. So let's see what we got here as well. There was another one. This one is going down. You can see very bearish momentum. Okay, it was this one right here. So let's go over to the 2 minutes. Yeah, we got the local high. So if we extend, let me unlock this. If we extend this, we can see again the price came over here and test this local high one more time before gets rejected. Okay, so again, sort of it's really good to place areas of interest because we can see that the price previously came over here to this area a few times, got rejected and got rejected one more time. All right, so I wasn't paying attention to this one because I already wrapped up my trading session. And yeah, but otherwise I would have waited for this candle right here, dodgy candle, and then from here, as soon as I saw I would see the red candle, I would place a trade, okay, because of this level over here. Now it seems like the price is gonna go and test this area one more time because we can see the signal got weaker, and we can see the green bar right there. Okay, you can see the green bar. Stochastic is oversold, it's crossed over, but price might trade sideways a little bit because we have a red bar over here. So price is gonna battle around this area before try to push up or eventually just give up and continue to go down. Let me see if I can find another one that I was analyzing. This one is having a pullback. This one reached the oversold level. It's on the uptrend. So let's have a look at 2-minute chart. Okay, 2-minute chart looks good, but candles are very small and has too many wicks. So you got to be careful. And we can see the volume is decreasing. We've got 2 red candles over here. So this one potentially will go down a little bit more. Okay, even though the 30-second chart, we can see, okay, it's oversold. We had this mini pump. And now, because we have bearish momentum, this one, guess what, is going to go down. It's going to go down because 2 minutes says that it's going down. Okay, and if you open the stochastic, we can see that the lines are very close to each other, and the green line is about to cross the red line. Okay, so let me just wait and see what's going to happen with this one. Over here, we can see the very weak candle. Candle still closing below the 7 SMA. So this one potentially would be a good one for the 2-minute trade, okay, because it's taking some time to crank up. But we can see that this bearish candle over here potentially is going to be the start of the momentum to go down, okay? So let's wait for the next candle and see. So the momentum over here on the next one potentially is going to be bigger than the previous one. So that's a confirmation that, okay, the trend is going to go down. So let's wait. Okay, we can see that this bar over here is bigger than the previous one. And this candle over here is also bigger than this one. Okay, so we can see we got a small red candle, a big medium red candle, and a big red candle. And from here, price now potentially will go down. Okay, this one, let's have a look. This one is almost flat. Okay, it's on an oversold level, overbought level, and the volume is decreasing, so we can be that is going to be a pullback before having a continuation to the upside. Was it this one that we just looked? Yeah, it is. Okay, we can see the volume over here. You can see the, it wasn't this one, was it? I lost it. But anyway, I think it was this one. I don't know. But yeah, you get the idea. Hope you guys get the idea about this strategy that I'm using. So far, so good. It works. I'm able to achieve my 5% or make some profits. That's the main thing instead of losing, because I'm still down. I'm still down. So I started with 200 bucks. I'm now at 186. I went all the way to 150. Okay. And then I was like, man, I need to go back to the trading board and figure out a way to make money with this platform. Okay. So decided to try this strategy and um, improve it. So far it is working. Okay. So I cannot complain about it. And yeah, I'm pleased with that. I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you wanna get signals on my next trading session, today is Friday, so the next trading session is gonna be Monday. Okay, don't forget to join my signals channel 329. Link's gonna be down in the description of this video. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Have a great weekend. Peace.